How to add clickable link in Canva. Hey everybody, in order to do so you may follow up these simple steps. So open up canva.com and you may just go ahead and locate up the PDF file that in which you would like to add the link. For example, I have selected this. All you gotta do is simply locate up the text in which you would like to add the link, click on it, click on three dot. After that you should be finding link option. You may scroll down and you should find link. Otherwise you can press Ctrl+K on your keyboard, and all you gotta do is simply enter up a link right here that you would like to add. For example, youtube.com. So just go ahead and add it, type it in right here like this. After that you may select the display mode if you want it in embedded or link, and click on done. Once that is done, you should be finding your underline. When you go ahead and click on it, the link will be available right at the upper corner, and that's it. So that is how you basically do it. After that is done, you may click on share, and you need to share it as a form of a PDF. For that, click on download. After that, a file type, drop it down and select it as PDF standard, and after that click on download, and that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.